Hi guys, today I want to briefly touch upon dental emergencies. In case this happens to you, please get in contact with your dentist or the dental emergency room at a nearby hospital as soon as possible. Here are some simple precautions that you can avoid accidents or injuries to your teeth. Number one, wear a mouth guard or a sports guard while enjoying your sports and recreational activities. Number two, avoid chewing ice, eating popcorn kernels, or biting on hard candy, which can all crack your teeth. And last but not least, please use scissors, not your teeth, to cut anything except food that should be in your mouth. And remember this, most dentists provide time in their daily schedule for dental emergencies. As long as you give them a detailed explanation of what has happened, with experience, they know how much time they need and they should fit you right in. Have a lovely day, everybody, and hopefully you can avoid all dental emergencies.